Well, first thing I do, I get here early in the morning and I start cleaning the kitchen rags, all the stuff and sports and all that. And then I put away all the hang-ups that we have to hang up that can't go in the dryer. And then we sort laundry till about 10 a.m. Sometimes longer, all depends how much there is. And then after lunch, if I have time, I will go sit down in the sewing room and start mending clothes for the kids. Yeah.
My name is Daniel Villaverde Mierdavila, and I'm in grade 9 in Duxbury House. When we get into Shawnigan, they give us a bag, the black bag. I have one here that I just took my laundry. This black bag, and then it's just in our room. And whenever we have like dirty clothes, we just put it in, and then the certain day we just put it in. But also the ladies there are really nice. So if you forget about it one day, sometimes they let you put it the next day.
My name's Gail and I've worked here for 26 years. It's been a wonderful experience working with my coworkers, just getting to know the students, just chatting with them, being able to get their laundry to them on time or most of the time on time. Just really appreciate the kids, and that's rewarding.
I know they definitely always have a friendly face, but I do wish I got to know them a bit better. It's just a shame you do see them a lot, except you don't really get to know them as who they are. I just know that they're kind and wonderful, and they always treat you with respect, and I expect everyone, and for myself, to do the exact same back to them.